You'll need a rectangle piece of paper, just like this. First, you fold it over to here, okay? Hey, then you got that, okay? From there, you want to flip this over this part right here. This part, see how it's creased right there? You want to flip it over and fold it about an inch up. Maybe a little more, okay? And then it's going to look like this. And you want to crease it really good. One way, you want to put your thumb there and just crease it really good. Crease as best as you can. Then you add that, okay? And you bend this over to where it touches corner to corner with the flap right there, okay? Then you're just gonna crease it. Just really good. Then you're gonna have this to where it looks over there and touch that. Okay? Then you're gonna bend this over the flap with the paper laying on it to make the paper have a crease in it. Like that. Now the paper has a crease in it and it lines up with the flap. Okay. Then you're gonna bring the top and just fold it down right to the bottom. Like that, to where it looks like this so far. Okay? Then you're gonna fold this right there. Just fold the plane in half. Make it to where the flap touches the other side. Okay? Then you're going to bring it down. One side down. And it's going to look like that. Do the same thing with the other side before you do the other side because sometimes it gets tricky. Then you have that, but after you do that, you're going to fold the side up with the flap. You're going to fold it up first to where it has that. And this right here, this flap right here is supposed to, it's supposed to touch this side. It's not going to cause any trouble, okay? And remember, do this side first, and then you turn it over. And do the same with the other side. It might look kind of uneven when you do it, but then you got your paper airplane. Okay, we can't test fly in the house because it's really good. Okay. Actually, guess we could do one test fly. Do it. See the plane?